before the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court tomorrow on a case of incitement to commit trespassing. This follows calls he made at the party's inaugural conference in 2014 to occupy land. And this will be the second time that Malema appears in a court on a similar charge. Last week, the case against him at the Newcastle Magistrates Court was postponed. He has since applied to the High Court that the Riotous Assemblies Act of 1956, which was used to charge him, be declared unconstitutional.
You must be part of the occupation of land everywhere else in South Africa, and those who get into trouble with the law, the EFF must intervene.
2 years since that statement, Julius Malema is being hauled into court. The complainant is EFF Forum, which welcomed the decision to prosecute. But this could be short-lived. That's if Malema successfully argues his case in the High Court that the Riotous Assemblies Act of 1956, which was assented to prevent tensions between European and non-European citizens, is invalid and irrelevant post-apartheid. That High Court application is likely to be heard next year. But Malema is confident the court will rule in his favor, so much so that he has remained defiant.
It will be irresponsible of me to say continue waiting. That's why I say occupy the land, because they failed to give you the land. If it means going to prison for telling you to take the land, so be it. I am not scared of prison because of the land question.
That statement was made just after he appeared before the Newcastle Magistrates Court last week. And similar remarks are expected when he addresses EFF supporters who will march outside the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court. His lawyers will also apply for postponement pending the High Court ruling on the constitutionality of the Riotous Assemblies Act. Aldrin St. Pierre, SABC News, Johannesburg.